Good afternoon. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine and enjoying the weather. So, I'm bringing you my CVS haul for the week of September 15 to September 21. And we have several deals available, but this is the one that I got. And I feel like I need for my balikbayan box. So, first item is on the Crest. The deal this week is buy two, get $3 back. And it is priced as $2.99 for this week. So that will give me a total of $5.98. And there is a $2 coupon available on the app. So that makes that $3.98. And then by buying two, I got $3 back. So that's a total of 98 cents for both, or divide that by two for a single item. I hope that's clear. Next, on the Colgate. It is priced as $3.99 this week, and if you buy one, you get dollar coupon. You get the dollar back. So there is an available coupon on the paper coupon this week. So that's the coupon. The value of the coupon is $2. This is part of the coupon, but I used the one that for the toothpaste, which is $2. So that gives it the $3.99 minus 2 is $1.99, and by buying one, get the dollar back, so that makes it 99 cents. The limit for this, I guess, is 2. I only had one paper coupon, so I just bought one. The next item I got is on this Tide, the Oxy Simply Pads. It's on sale for $2.94 this week. And there is a $2 coupon available on the app, so that makes it 94 cents. Okay. And in CVS, the regular price for this is $4. I don't even buy this because it's crazy expensive. And the last item I got is on this CVS panty liners. The regular price is $1.29, and there is a dollar coupon available on the app. That makes it 29 cents. So those final prices I had are covered by the $7 money I had last week. So I'll show you the receipt. So those the final prices, as you can see, are $0. And those are all the coupons I had. The combination of the paper coupon as well as on the CVS. And the one that I check mark there, are the $7 CVS money I used. So that gives me a total of $0. I didn't pay anything for this, and take note, I got $1 back on the Colgate and a $3 back on the Crest. So this $4 I can use to roll for the next week, whatever good deals or whatever deals they have again. Okay, so for those who are here and love shopping CVS, if you don't have the paper coupon, just go to the coupon.com and then print whatever is available coupon over there and go grab these items for almost free, or for free for me, or for if you're starting, you're gonna be paying a little amount of money, but you're gonna get money back. Okay, that's it for today, guys, and thank you for watching, and you take care. Have a great day. Bye.